What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we have another do-it-yourself video, and this time around we will be installing these new carbon fiber overlays for my gas cap. Amazon is really starting to blow these things up. I know they're starting to get really popular within the car community, so I decided to purchase some myself. I actually already did purchase a set for my steering wheel. Really like the quality of it. I wasn't sure what I was getting until you actually kind of get it, and it actually turned out pretty nice. So I'm going to show you guys how it came out though. But these here, I thought I was getting just like an actual sticker, but it's actually like a plastic piece. Obviously it's not real carbon fiber. Let's be honest with ourselves here. The plastic is fairly sturdy for the most part. It did come with already some double-sided sticky tape, as you can kind of see here. I did add some for myself just because this thing's gonna be stuck to the side of the car and we're going 100 plus miles an hour. You want to make sure it kind of sticks, right? So I did add pieces to myself just to kind of go all the way around. So if you look at this one, so this red pieces is what it came with, and then this extra red is kind of what I added myself. So that's the outer ring. Then here's the door. Again, the door, it really didn't come with that many. It just came with I think like 6 pieces on the outside. So I added a whole bunch kind of in the middle, just to kind of give it that extra strength so it doesn't kind of fly out though. But overall, just from the looks of it, it looks really nice. I already sort of test fitted it on the car, and it does fit rather nice. No issues with it at all. So again, for this you're gonna need obviously your pieces, and then just your simple rubbing alcohol just to make sure your surface prep is complete though. So let's go ahead and get to it, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright guys, let's start prepping our surface. Some rubbing alcohol. Alright guys, I've went ahead and just removed all of the backing from the 3M tape. So surface looks pretty clean and dry, and we will go ahead and apply it. It is a pretty warm day out today, so I feel this is going to stick pretty well. Normally if it was a colder day, people, what they do is they'll take a heat gun to the 3M. That way it kind of warms it up so that the bonding process is a little bit faster though. So let's give it a shot. Okay, pretty good. Oh yeah, that ain't for that one. No way. Again, I think putting in those extra pieces of 3M just to give it more surface contact is really just going to pay off towards the end. Alright, I got the other piece prepped and ready to go. We're just going to go ahead and align that. Okay. Alright guys, there is the finished product. Again, I think it came out really well. No issues with it all. I think it's going to stick well too. I did put a fair amount of double-sided sticky tape to it, so I really shouldn't be seeing any kind of issues with it as far as it falling off and that kind of stuff. The only kind of gripe I have is kind of just cleaning up the inside of it, getting all the chrome out. Besides that, really like the stuff. Came out really well. I really shouldn't be having no issues with it. Opens, closes, no problem. And as I promised, this is what the steering wheel looks like with the same kind of carbon fiber overlays. Again, same thing, plasticky, stuck on really well, no issues with it at all. They do make a, I mean, I think there's several companies making the same product. I think it's, you know, they're all doing the same thing, but they do make a nice kind of dash piece cover, and then center console as well. So I'll be kind of looking into that, seeing how that goes. I may plan to pull the trigger on it, so stay tuned. Again, guys, appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.